So this mommy's cat's name is Gwen, and I am her foster mom. I'm fostering her for Perfect Pals here in the Seattle, Washington area. Gwen's been in labor for a few hours, and we expect more kittens to come. As you can see, she's still quite pregnant. I'm going to adjust the camera just a bit because I want to be able to take some video myself. I don't want my giant hand in the middle of all this cuteness. There we go. Just a bit. Let's see. Sorry, I'm going to get this angle quite right. There we go. So far Gwen has had this little baby live. She had a little stillborn kitten early this morning, which was very sad. But it happens. And I think when people let their kitties get pregnant, they don't think about things like stillborn kittens and mommies who have a hard time delivering. So I'm hoping by showing some live segments of this, people will get an idea of what their sweet kitties go through to have kittens. And if you are like me and want to have cute kittens at your house, instead of putting your own sweet kitty through this, maybe you could call a shelter near you and volunteer to foster like I do. And then you can have kittens and pregnant mamas and be part of the solution instead of part of the problem. Oh no, did your baby escape? Is that baby already being so squeaky? Try to adjust just a little bit more. Here we go. As you can see, she is in my bathtub, which is a great spot for a kitty to give birth. Underneath all of the blankets and towels, I have a big, shaggy, warm bath mat with a rubber backing so that nothing slips and slides around. And it gives a good cushion and keeps things dry. And then on top of that, I have a blanket, and then I have towels for the actual delivery. So once the kittens are a little older, I'll take the towels off so that their claws don't get stuck in the terry cloth. I've had Gwen for 4.5 weeks. She was about 5 weeks pregnant when she came to me. So I'm also posting videos of this on my Instagram account. We have almost 500,000 followers all over the world who have been waiting for this day for a month. So you can see Gwen starting to contract again. So you may see my hand as I get some video of this for my Instagram audience. If you want to follow them on Instagram, you'll get to see these kittens grow up and find new homes when they're big enough. I think the dodo is going to pin my Instagram so you can follow along, but it's at foster_kittens. Our second kitten is born. There we go. Oh wow. That's a lot. There we go. So she's gonna break us open and take care of business. The best thing that a person can do is to remain as calm as possible, not get too excited or too worried. She takes really good care of everything. Every so often we need to cut a cord or break a sack, but for the most part, Mama takes care of everything she needs to. It's pretty amazing. So you can see she's breaking the amniotic sac off of the kitten, and in a minute she will cut its umbilical cord and deliver its placenta. Really critical that I keep track of the placentas and make sure that there's one delivered with each kitten. A retained placenta can be very dangerous.